What's going on guys, Kyle here from GuideWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export contacts from GoHighLevel to Google Sheets. Once you're in GoHighLevel, in the left column, scroll down to Contacts. You can then individually select contacts that you would like to export by simply clicking the empty box next to them. If you would like to export all of your contacts, go next to Contact Name and click the empty box, and all your contacts will be selected. Then in the top right corner, next to Add Contact, click the 3 vertical dots, then select Export. Click Export again. Once it has completed, then select Check Progress. You can then download it, and it will appear in your Downloads folder. You can then move it from your Downloads folder to your desktop. Then go into Google Sheets. In the left column, select File, Import. Then you can browse your computer. Then just click your CSV file and select Open or hit Enter. And now all of your contacts have been imported from GoHighLevel to Google Sheets. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to GuideWise. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.